Say when to pull.
Pull now. Pull.
It's not pulling.
I'm doing it wrong.
Oh. Better now, huh?
Okay.
We'll make a sailor review yet. You're doing really well.
All right, bar's open.
Yes, please.
Hey, can we sail to Venice?
Sure. I love Venice. See Venice and die. Isn't that right? Or is it Rome? Is it Rome?
I have to see Venice.
You do something and die, don't you? Okay. Venice is on the list.
And Rome.
Do you ski? No, don't tell me. You're a lost cause. That's the next thing to deal with. Christmas, we're planning a skiing trip to Cortina. Excellent skiing, excellent. Margie.
Yes?
Unbelievable. Tom can't ski either. We'll have to teach him that too.
Thank you.
Grazie. Such low class, Marge. Does this guy know anything?
It's a good thing we're not getting married soon. We'd have to invite Tom on our honeymoon. Oh, I hated New York, that whole Park Avenue crowd. So I fled to Paris to work on my book. And I was always going to this cafe in Montmartre with Jean-Jacques. And Dickie would play My Funny Valentine. It was only later that I found out he only knows about 6 songs. Anyway, I looked forward to seeing him, I suppose. And Silvana. Buonasera, Alessandra. Per favore, arance e pane. E del prosciutto.
E fichi. Come sempre.
Sì, come sempre, grazie.
Dopo. Vai. Prendi.
Hey, Signor Green! If you're not at my place by 7 o'clock, Tom and I are running off together.
Okay, fine.
Oh, Dickie!
Beware the tiger biting by Colonial. Hold on. Savannah, you make me smile.
I need to talk to you.
Smile. You're breaking my ribs!
What?
You're breaking my ribs!
But don't change a hair for me. Not if you care for me. Stay